Well, new tonight, the Commonwealth's Attorney General says he will conduct an external review of the events in the UVA shooting. 3 members of the university's football team, Devin Chandler, Lavelle Davis, and Deshaun Perry, they died in that shooting that took place on Sunday. Well, tonight, we're getting new information about the man accused of killing them. This is Christopher Jones Jr., the UVA student charged with 3 counts of murdering his fellow classmates on a bus last Sunday. Here's Nathan Baca with the latest.
Chesterfield County, Virginia police records we got Thursday morning reveal more about Jones's 2021 concealed weapons arrest. Police say in February 2021 they pulled over a car without proper tags. They report finding Jones driving with a burnt marijuana smell coming from the car. Police say Jones admitted to having a 9mm handgun on him. When police ran the gun's serial number, the police report says the gun came back as stolen from Petersburg. The police report also says Jones told them he paid $500 from a guy at the 7-Eleven for the gun. Police also said Jones told them he had the gun because he lost 2 of his brothers. Jones was convicted for that incident of illegal possession of a concealed firearm in June 2021, but he was given a suspended jail sentence, meaning no jail time. A Virginia gun store reports selling Jones 2 more guns immediately after he served a suspended jail sentence for that conviction. Albemarle County prosecutors have not disclosed which weapons they believe Jones allegedly used in the UVA bus shooting. Nathan Baca, WUSA 9.
So students at UVA returned to class yesterday. Some say they're still shocked, but they are finding peace being with one another. On the grounds, a sequence of numbers, 1, 15, and 41 for the football players killed there on the grounds Sunday. Some students say the memorials around the grounds helps everyone come to terms with what's happened.
I'm really shaken up. It's been the longest week of university history, it feels like. It's only been a couple of days, but it feels like weeks.
This Saturday, the university will hold a memorial at John Paul Jones Arena.